One of the main peculiarities of the system is that combination of the high utilization factor of the useful volume of the missile and large caliber of 155 mm allows to create the missile with a powerful warhead and the motor, ensuring the range of fire of up to 5,500 meters. This ensures guaranteed destruction with preemptive strikes from the first shot of all modern tanks, strongly fortified engineering structures and other objectives of the enemy, both on flat ground and in mountainous regions, at the altitude of up to 4,500 meters above sea level. Lasting experience in the development of launchers and use of modern technologies allows creating the Kornet-E system as small-sized and portable. This characteristic is very important tactically in the use of the system. The Kornet-E comprises a launcher with a sight, a guidance device, highly precise drives for a target tracking, and a launching mechanism of the missile. A thermal sight guided with the missile from the airtight transport and launching containers. The jamming invulnerable control system by laser beam is used in the Kornet-E system. High energy potential of the laser beam ensures reliable passage of control signals under different conditions of firing when visibility of the target is difficult and under the influence of optical and radioelectronic interference. Maximum range and efficiency of firing of the Kornet-E system at stationary or moving targets with flank velocity of up to 70 km per hour is 5,500 meters in the daytime and 3,500 meters at night. Armor-piercing effect behind the dynamic protection is 1,200 mm. High armor-piercing effect behind the dynamic protection is achieved owing to the use of the tandem-shaped charged warhead. The leading shaped charge initiates the explosive of the dynamic protection, clearing the part of the armor that later will be penetrated with the cumulative jet of the main warhead. The missile of the Kornet-E system with the warhead of thermobaric effect operates as an artillery projectile with TNT equivalent more than 8.5 kilograms. Its greatest efficiency is achieved during the firing at emplacements, engineering structures, and troops of the enemy in shelters. High excessive pressure with short rise of temperature during the explosion is created in the zone of action of the projectile. Two types of the examined high-precise missiles make the system multi-purpose. High frequency of its use is ensured owing to providing of the system with a thermal sight, allowing to conduct effective firing not only at night but also in the presence of combat smokes and precipitation. The Kornet-E system is carried out and served by the crew of 2 persons. It is changed over from traveling position to the fire position during the period less than 1 minute. Firing is conducted by the operator from kneeling position, from standing position out of the trench, and from prone position. For an operator to conduct the fire is enough only to detect the target with the help of an optical or a thermal sight, to fire and keep the target in the crosshairs of the sight up to its defeat. Bringing out the missile to the sighting line is carried out automatically. The missile orientates itself in the information beam and flies up to the target defeat with minimum deviation from the beam axis. Algorithm of the missile rise over the sighting line that is put into the control system of the Kornet-E ensures firing on the soils with excessive dust formation, flight of the missile over terrain barriers, and improves conditions of the target tracking. Coding of the laser beam control channel allows to conduct 2 systems firing simultaneously, both at 2 closely situated targets and at 1 target at the same time. Kill probability of the target at the range of 5,500 meters with the Kornet-E system is 0.8 in the daytime. Kill probability of the target at the range of 3,500 meters with the Kornet-E system is 0.9 at night. The design of the launcher of the Kornet-E system allows to conduct fire from any transport means and fighting vehicles with the help of a simple device in the shape of a pin. The Kornet-E system is highly mobile. It can be transported by any kind of transport means: automobile, tracked, air, water, and also by pack animals in difficult mountainous areas. The Kornet-E portable system is the base for the development of self-propelled systems. The system, consisting of 2 launchers and a device of automatic loading for 12 guided missiles, is developed for the infantry combat vehicle BMP-3. The clever missile and guide system is developed for placing on the base of BTR and BMP-1. The single-seated combat module is created for placing on the base of the Hammer Army automobile. The Kornet-E anti-tank missile system, combining high efficiency, simplicity in use, low cost, and as a result the possibility of wide use in different terms of the service, ensures prospects of its life cycle for the nearest 30 years.